Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox. It's just past 9:20 in the morning. Beautiful today, Tuesday, July 14th, 2015. If we take a look at today's morning announcements, we had an historic deal reached between the P5+1 and Iran on nuclear negotiations between those two sides. The deal temporarily lifts sanctions as Iran improves on its international behavior, depending on the ingredients of this specific deal. It may or may not pass the U.S. Congress. They have 60 days to look at the specific announcement. So let's take a look at some performance we've already seen. Coming up right around the corner is inflation numbers for the British pound. That's CPI year on year, PPI input month on month, core CPI, and also housing price index year on year. So depending on those numbers, we may see some fluctuations coming up soon for the pound. Early morning results for Swiss francs PPI month on month, negative 0.1% underneath forecasted 0.2%. German final CPI numbers month on month, also on par, negative 0.1% as forecasted. Later on at 10 o'clock, we have German ZEW economic sentiment report, as well as industrial production numbers. That's going to hopefully make a positive impact for the euro, because the euro has been tanking lately as a result of the new agreement set forth with Alexis Tsipras and the ECB to renegotiate Greece's debt. We also have to not forget about China, because China is a very big problem if the Chinese government does not have complete control over their economy. Depending on the draconian measures that they mentioned as of late, it could be a sign of a spiraling out effect. We'll have to see. Later on this afternoon at 1:30, we have core retail sales and retail numbers on month for the U.S. dollar, and import prices month on month, followed by business inventories at 3 o'clock. Let's take a look at some numbers on the chart side. If we take a look, euro dollar 1.1005, just having a little bit of a spike in the morning, but dipped as low as, if we take a look at specifically, 1.096. Gold hanging around 1140.54.37. Pound dollar 1.545. Aussie dollar also at 0.742. Dollar Canadian heading upstairs as of late yesterday, 1.27. Dollar yen at 123.3 heading south. We also see Dow Jones coming up yesterday of a high of 17,977, picking back up after that Greek deal helped push that asset going up. We have Euro Pound also heading upstairs, 0.71. And last but not least, WTI crude position 1 heading down at 51.32. That's today's daily market update. I'm your host, Chief Analyst Ryan Fox. Take a look out for lessons and more updates this week. Have a good one, folks, and enjoy the trades.